If you dream of one day owning a 30A beach home and Seacrest Beach is your dream neighborhood, then you're gonna love today's video. Today I'm gonna be walking you through a virtual open house for a property that I'm hosting here in Seacrest Beach. It's a beautiful home, and I'm gonna give you a detailed walkthrough, show you every aspect of this property, as well as at the end of the video, gonna share with you all of the cost of ownership numbers, as well as the rental projections for this property. You can find all the details and the complete listing of this property down in that description below, as well as all of my contact information if you'd like to schedule an in-person tour of this property. This home behind me is 214 East Blue Crab Loop, tucked back here in a private, secluded corner of Seacrest Beach. Come along as I walk you through this entire property and give you the complete tour as if you were here in person. All right, gonna start you here on the exterior of the home just to give you an idea of what you're looking at from the street view. Very nice little front porch. We're also gonna see some additional outdoor spaces on the back of the home as we walk through the tour. I'm just gonna swing you left and right so you can get a view kind of from the street, see what you're looking at. So that's gonna be back toward the front of the community, and then swinging all the way around to the end of this street. Endless Summer Way, you can see there on the corner. We're sitting here at the corner of Blue Crab Loop East and Endless Summer Way. Endless Summer Way is actually going to dead end right here around the corner. So in terms of privacy and location of this property, it doesn't get much more secluded and private in terms of Seacrest Beach. As you can see here too, you've got the tram stop that'll deliver you straight to the deeded beach access for Seacrest Beach, which is always a nice feature to have just outside your front door. So as we make our way toward the front door and the side porch here, let me give you some details about the property. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath home, just under 2,500 square feet. As you enter in, you've got stairway leading straight up to the second floor. You've got these very beachy, gray tone hardwood floors throughout the main living space. Carry you back toward, and immediately to your left, you're going to find one entrance to the kitchen area. You do have these black granite countertops. And this large island. Beautiful color on this countertop space for the island. I love the open concept in terms of the living space. So immediately here you've got your dining space. They've got a table for 6 here. And then as you make your way into the actual living room, you can see how they've arranged their furnishings. This home is being sold fully furnished. So it is turnkey and ready to go for you, whether as a second home, vacation home, or an investment property, or even a primary residence. Unique feature that I really like about this home is they've actually got this secondary bar area tucked into the corner of the main living space. So you do have the high top bar with the stools, and then back behind you've got a small fridge, as well as wet bar and sink. Just giving you a nice panoramic of the entire living space here. As you make your way through the living space and the kitchen, tucked into the back, These closets to the right are actually going to house your washer and dryer. So you've got laundry here on the main floor. You do have a side entrance to the home. And then immediately to the left here, you have a small pantry for your kitchen. Take you back down the entry hallway to the main floor bedroom. This is an ensuite bath. You've got immediately inside the doorway here, you have a large walk-in closet. Then here in this bathroom, you've got a large jetted tub, as well as a dual head shower with glass enclosure. And then you've got double vanity and your water closet. Swing you back out, take you into the actual bedroom. So as you remember from the front of the house, the front porch here, actually you have direct access to the front porch out of this bedroom. And so I'll swing you back and let you see nice tall coffered ceilings in here. This is a king size bed, so you can get just a perspective of how large the home is. And get nightstands on both sides, large king size bed. And then I love the privacy of this front porch. Sit out here, enjoy those evening summer breezes with some nice privacy provided by these beautiful palm trees that you've got in front, as well as this little magnolia. Now I'm going to take you upstairs, where we'll see the remainder of the 3 bedrooms, one of which they've done a really great job in terms of maximizing the space within this home for as many guests as your friends and family would bring, or if you're looking at this from an investment standpoint in terms of having the ability to accommodate larger parties, which is going to increase your rentability of this property. So at the top of the steps, you do have this hallway. Here and behind this closet is your heating and air conditioning systems for easy access for maintenance, changing filters, different things like that. To the right here is the secondary primary suite. So you have basically 2 primary suites in this property, one down and one up. Again, you have some nice high ceilings within this room. Again, a large king size bed. The bedrooms up here actually do have carpet, so it's the only carpet in the property is located in these bedrooms. And then again, as I mentioned, another outdoor space here. I just love this second floor balcony that they have screened in. So no worry about any bugs or anything bothering you in the summertime. You can even, on days like this when the weather's really nice, you can leave this door open and let some fresh air flow through the house. They've got a nice little table out here, as well as a couple lounge chairs. And then the view off of the back, which honestly is pretty rare in terms of Seacrest, is this green space. And then an added bonus that I haven't mentioned just yet, you're going to see straight down, this home does have a private pool. I'll give you a closer look of that when we head back downstairs. Take you back inside. Do have a large closet here. So just the double door, standard closet size here. And then within the bathroom, you do have dual vanity, and you've got this large tiled glass enclosure shower. And then just your water closet here to the side. Back down the hallway, again, you see the hardwood floors that were downstairs are located here in the hallway upstairs. Second bedroom up here, again, another king size bed. So just to give you a perspective on the size of the room. And again, nice high ceilings, helping these rooms feel even bigger than they actually are. Again, another ensuite bath, dual vanity. So plenty of space for large parties to enjoy and have plenty of space to get ready for dinner or whatever the day holds. Just your standard tub shower combo in here. And tucked back in the corner is going to be a decently deep walk-in closet. I'm going to take you back out to the final room. This bedroom is not an ensuite bath, but the bathroom is just located here. And this is the most updated bath within the home. So you can see these beautiful tile floors that they've installed. Really nice, again, dual vanity, mirrors, and then they've added the shiplap feature on the walls here. Then they've done a subway tile shower. Really nice full glass enclosure, and then carried the tile from the floor into the shower here. Back you back out, now take you into, I love this room. If you think about having a large family join you for a visit here, this is going to be an ideal setup for you. So as you come into the room, it is filled with custom built-in bunks. So each bunk having its own reading light, small nook. They've done a great job adding some drawers at the bottom to provide some storage for you while you're here. And then even swinging around, you've got two on this side of the room as well. Really, really love this room. And then coming out, this room has its own dedicated access to a front balcony. So this balcony is actually just located right above the entrance to the home. So we came in from the street just there. So even have a nice space for the kids to get out and enjoy some sunshine, or have the door open, let some air flow through the property. So overall, great home. You've got so much potential here. This home was built in 2005. And so certainly there are a few aspects of the property that could use some updating, but overall, this house is gorgeous. It is ready to move in and enjoy. You could literally begin making memories with your family and friends in this home immediately. There's nothing that is an absolute have to change on this home. As mentioned, I definitely want to take you out to show you an added bonus that you get with this property that you don't often see here in Seacrest Beach, and that is your own private pool. Obviously, we have the huge lagoon pool that people love to enjoy when they're here, but having something like this, even if it's small in size, is a huge bonus, not only for your own personal enjoyment, but also for any guests that you may have that come and rent your home and enjoy it. So beyond just the pool here in the outdoor space, you do have a small wet bar area with a fridge as well as your grill here. All right, let's take just a minute and talk about the numbers for 214 East Blue Crab Loop here in Seacrest. So The list price for this property right now is sitting at $1,630,000. Relatively new to market, though we've seen a lot of inventory here on 30A. This is one that is brand new to market here within the last week or so. The great thing about this property is it is actually being sold by its original owners. So they bought the home back in 2005, and you can tell they've taken great care of it over the time that they've owned the home. Other things that you need to know about Seacrest in terms of the HOA fees. So you're looking at an HOA fee of $1,454 every quarter. And so that's just something that you want to roll into your cost of ownership. Property taxes on this home last year, let me get that number for you. They were $10,632 paid last year. So you're going to roughly see something around that range in terms of your property taxes for this home. I don't have the insurance costs or average utilities or things like that, but one thing that have been provided, we've got a couple of different property short-term rental projections for this property. And so one is coming in just under $102,000 on an annual basis, and the other is coming in that $84,000, $85,000 range. And so really, when you see a variety of numbers like that, it's basically just a difference in terms of occupancy rate and what they're projecting in terms for the property. So somewhere in that $85,000 to $100,000 range is what you could anticipate if you were looking at this home as a short-term rental investment. If you're familiar with Seacrest, you know from an amenity standpoint, they have one of the most spectacular pools up and down 30A. Their lagoon pool is absolutely enormous, and it's a great place for you to enjoy with your family and friends while you're staying here. Additionally, as I mentioned it near the beginning of the video, the tram service is really helpful, especially when you've got a large party and you've got a lot of gear you're trying to get to the beach. Having the tram stop just outside your door is going to be a huge bonus for you as you enjoy some time at the beach. And last thing in terms of amenities, there is a beach chair service at the beach provided by La Dolce Vita, which is one of the premier beach chair and umbrella services here along 30A. So you have some great opportunities to enjoy those beautiful lounge chairs and great shade under those big umbrellas while you're enjoying that beautiful blue water and that white sand. So what do you think about this property? You can leave me a comment below if you've got additional questions maybe that I didn't cover throughout the tour. But as I mentioned before, all of the listing details and a direct link to the listing on my website can be found in that description just below, as well as all of my contact information if you would like to schedule an in-person tour of this property, maybe while you're in town for spring break here in the next couple of weeks on 30A. If you're new to my channel and enjoy all things 30A real estate and that awesome beach lifestyle that we love here, I would encourage you to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you can be made aware every time new content like this hits my channel. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about this format. I know there's so many of you who are watching from long distance and dreaming about owning a 30A beach home, and it's not always easy to get here. And so maybe approaching it like this and providing more of these virtual open house tours where I'm just walking you through and speaking to the different aspects of the home may be helpful to you. So leave me a comment, let me know if you like this format. And until next time, make it a great day on 30A.